In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Pages. Tap Create at the top, then tap Get Started. Enter a name for your page and tap Next. Choose a category that best describes your page, for example, business, blog, or personal brand, then tap Create. Tap Create Content and connect with fans, then tap Continue. Upload a profile picture for your page and then tap Next. Tap Next. Tap Done. Your Facebook page is created. Now you can start inviting friends, posting content, and customizing your page further. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.